Want to enable camera flash notifications on your Samsung phone? So, if you want for your camera to blink and flash each time you receive notifications from all apps or maybe specific ones, I'm gonna show you how you can set it up. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead and open settings. And from here, scroll a bit down till we can see accessibility. Now, after that, find Advanced Settings section. You should see some of the options, but we are interested in the Flash Notifications tab. Click on that, and you will see two options: Camera Flash Notification and Screen Flash Notification. You can enable one of them and then tap Preview to find out how it will look. So I'm going to enable Camera Flash Notifications and tap Preview. So that is how it will look for you, just like that, each time you receive new notification. Now, if you don't want to set that for all your apps, maybe you want to set it for this specific one app, then what you can do is you can click on this section itself and then just disable all apps. Go through the list to find the app you need. Let's just find, for example, messages. I'm gonna use the search bar on top and just type in messages and enable two of them. Great. And now each time I will receive a message, my screen will blink. Let's try this out. I'm gonna just write to myself. And now I should receive notification. And yep, this is how it works. So that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.